So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Nvidia stock, ticker symbol NVDA, in Canada using Questrade. So once Questrade's opened up, either go to the top right in the magnifying glass or the bottom left and press on the buy sell button. At the top here, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol NVDA for Nvidia. At the top here, go ahead and press on that. Now go to the bottom left, press on buy. Now either go to share quantity or dollar amount, whatever you want to do. Type in the quantity or the dollar amount, go to the bottom, press on next, and then follow the steps afterwards. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Nvidia stock, ticker symbol NVDA here in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.